Let's now examine this mid-18th century pocket gazetteer like so in a period full mottled calf leather binding with spine compartments florally gilt stamped in a contrasting Morocco title label. A book like this is actually almost a small atlas. It's 1781 Paris here. It is a compendium of all of the known information, geographical, up till this date. It's interesting because there are 17 maps within it. They're almost all by Robert de Vaugondy, and most of them date 1750, like this one here, where the northwest coast of North America is still unknown, and the eastern coastline of Australia is also apocryphal and unknown still prior to Captain Cook. And we'll go through it now briefly, and I will show you each of the maps to the best of my ability. I was actually painting some miniatures last night, so if you see any paint on my fingers, that's why. I've washed my hands repeatedly, but that paint can be tough to get off. Here is the Belgium and Catholic countries, and here we have another one of the United Provinces, which would be the Netherlands and Brabant. And so it goes on. We have here Italy, again 1750 by Vaugondy, and I noticed one of the earlier maps of Belgium did have a tear in it, which is easy to mend with archival tape. Here we have Spain and Portugal. Okay. Okay, then we have here the British Isles, like so. Nice looking map. Even shows some of the shoals. And let's see what else we can find. We've got here Scandinavia, so over to Finland and Livonia. And here we have Poland. It's a nice map of Poland. All these countries, of course, have a description that accompanies them. And here we have Russia in Europe, like so. Okay. And let's take a look. Here we have all of Asia right there, which actually shows Company's land right here, an apocryphal, actually non-existent, unknown land at this point, still being represented as such. And here we have a map of the continent of Africa. Only one lake we see right here. And we'll be getting to North America in a moment. Yes, here we have North America, like so. Yeah, very interesting. Yeah, again, they've used the cartouche to sort of cover up the area in the northwest coast. Look at the outline shape there of Florida. Very curious. And here we have South America, like so. And I think we've found most of them. The binding is still in great shape, very attractive. The leather is supple, minor little bump in the lower corner, but really structurally sound. A lovely 18th century book. And it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.